In recent years, the mobile gaming industry has seen unprecedented growth, making it an extremely profitable platform for publishing a game. Whether you're monetizing your mobile game via paid downloads or through advertising, an increase in smartphone usage and advances in technology mean that almost anyone will be able to access your content. If you're thinking of publishing a mobile game, check out our list of the 10 best mobile game templates for 2022. All the items included on this list are available from Envato's Code Canyon Marketplace, where you can purchase individual assets like PHP scripts, HTML5 templates, custom skins, and everything in between to speed up and streamline software development. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Game, Scratch and Guess by GuruTechnolabs. As the name suggests, this game's about scratching a cell phone screen to reveal a character that the gamer is then prompted to guess. The scoring system is set to give higher scores the less you scratch, making it more challenging. It includes different categories from Hollywood actors and cartoons to video game characters. This template supports every type of resolution and has Admob and StartApp integrated. Number 9. Save the City, Complete Unity Game and Ads by MDO Studio 11. In this game, the mission is to protect cities from drowning by drawing obstacles like a water protection system with a specific number of lines points you can use at each level. Save the City is won if all the water comes down and the city doesn't sink. The game was developed with Unity, and it includes 53 levels to play using a level editor. Number 8. Image Puzzle, Picture Puzzle Game for Kids by Niraj001233. A funny and entertaining puzzle game designed for kids. The goal of this game is to complete the image of different types of characters like animals, dinosaurs, or cute illustrations. This template includes Admob integration, API 31 support, and is ready to publish in Google Play. Number 7. Switch Color, Unity and Admob by sansdevs. Switch Color is a complete Unity template ready for release with a fresh, rounded design. The gameplay is simple. You control a ball that changes its color, and you must get through different obstacles matching your color to improve your high score. It's easy to customize and is Admob integrated. Number 6. Fruits Games Pop Game Template by hobiron. The number 6 spot on our list is a straightforward yet addictive game. It gets more complicated over time, which will keep users glued to the screen for hours. The goal of the game is to pop as many fruits as possible without touching the golden symbol, or it's game over. You can monetize the game with banner and interstitial ads using Admob. Before moving on to the top 5, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 5. Wordly, Word Guessing Game by Yes Early. Wordly is a word guessing game. It's inspired by the trending online game Wordle, where a new word generates globally every 24 hours, and you have 5 tries to guess the 5-letter word. This template's features include splash screens, multi-language support, word definitions, and interstitial ads. Download this file and create the next hit word game. Number 4. Spooky Jump Game Template by hobiron. Spooky Jump Game is a casual game. Your mission is to jump through different obstacles while your monster evolves, and you have to try to get a higher score every time. Your download includes the game with 64-bit support, in-app billing version 4, and Admob ads. Number 3. MyCaffe Restaurant Game by tosinom. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to run a penguin restaurant? This game is the answer. Warning. Your customers are penguins, and penguins don't like to wait. Take orders and deliver food while the number of customers increases and your queues get longer. This game is made with Unity Engine and is cross-platform so that you can publish it on Android and iOS. There are over 20 decorations to purchase. Number 2. CubeStack, Admob, GDPR, and Unity by sansdevs. CubeStack is a challenging and super fun game. The goal is to create a tower by stacking squared surfaces. Every time a cover doesn't fit perfectly with the previous one, the remaining surface will be removed and you'll have less ground to climb. This template has Admob and Unity ads integrated, and it's ready to publish. Number 1. Asteroid Game by ProductoApp. Asteroid is a simple Android game which involves the player avoiding incoming asteroids. As the asteroids are outmaneuvered, the game speeds up, making it harder to evade them. The game contains original images and sounds, easy-to-use controls, and various skins for different devices. It's built using the Android Canvas API. All in-game graphics are either stored as vector drawables or drawn during runtime. Game over! We've come to the end of our roundup. Let us know in the comments which of these games would keep you playing for hours. I loved the Penguin Restaurant. Sounds pretty fun to me. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos featuring web and code assets. See you next time!